They don't like people to tell any truth against CCP regime, even it's the real truth. I mean, they just want people to know what they want you to know, like how the animal can spread the SARS-CoV-2, which is totally lie, and like how the SARS-CoV-2 come from nature, which is also another lie. And their publication from Bad Woman Shi Zhenli about RATG13 virus, which is a fabricated virus, now being questioned by a lot of researchers. But this report cannot get published because of the censorship in the scientific field. So according to my own research experience and all the intelligence and information I got, I can tell you that definitely not come from nature, and also that's definitely not come from the Wuhan Huanan seafood market, because all the evidence I got show that there are no animal hands left in any sample when they checked before they do the thorough cleaning of the Wuhan seafood market. But why CCP government insists that all the patients have to get the Wuhan seafood market history before they get diagnosed even in January? Why? They know at least 1/3 of patients don't have this history. They haven't been to the Wuhan seafood market, and they didn't get any animal hint from these samples. Only one sample from all the 30 samples, environmental samples they get from the seafood market had some virus detected. And these samples are not detected by the real experts from overseas or even Hong Kong. It's just done by the CCP government, and then they show the result to the world and tell you, come on, this is from China's animals. Innocent animals, they don't know how to speak, they cannot fight with CCP. So I don't think it can come from nature, and they cannot find the evidence now. Now see how the Bad Woman Shi Zhenli gets an interview from Science recently. She herself cannot answer this question. She just let you to do the research for years and years and say, see, we know there is definitely host, and you need to go to find the bat, you need to go to find the source. But why don't they go back to check the possibility it can come from some lab? I'm now preparing a very solid scientific report to show people that how easily this can be done from the lab, and even not need to come from the very high technique lab. This is something actually using the mature technique. If you have the material, which we see here as a SARS-CoV-2's backbone virus, this is the only virus which is owned by CCP, by their PLA labs. And with these things, you can make it within half years. That's so easy.